Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. This is my favorite time of year. We're talking clam bakes. Now, my family does it a little different because everybody has their different likings. So we put ours in separate bags based on what the family members like, but you'll get the gist of it. So first we start out by boiling our eggs, our corn, and our potatoes. I use small potatoes because they cook a little faster. While that's going, once you get that going, we actually chop up and saute some andouille sausage. And while that's going, we open up a turkey bag. Yes, I said a turkey bag. We open up a turkey bag and we throw in our other ingredients. Today we use lobster, we use shrimp, and we use clams. Throw all of those in. They don't have to be, if they're raw, you can throw them all in together. If some are cooked and some are raw, make sure the cooked ones are frozen. And then you throw all of those in. You throw in all of your seasonings that you see. Throw in your butter because that will help you with the juices and the seasonings that you see for dipping. After that, you dump your done potatoes, your peeled eggs, and your corn in the bag. Mix it all up, my friends. You are going to love this. Take a squeeze of lemon, add a little bit of lemon. Do not forget your butter. Again, that goes for the sauce. Take that bag, once you've tied it, put a little hole at the top. Put it in a pan, a baking pan of your choice, with a cup of water. Cup of water that will help steam it a little more. 375, 45 minutes. You will have this. Oh, I promise you, you will love it. Your whole family will love it. You can do individual bags too if you have folks in your family that maybe don't like shrimp or don't like clams. Also, for those of you that may not have 30 minutes to spare and then that extra hour, make sure to stop by your local Tops and grab their Seabest Seafood Festival steamer pot. Has all the same things and your seasonings are included. You're welcome. And to get this recipe, head over to wkbw.com/7life. Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.